Last night we stayed at Redstreak campground in Kootenay National Park, the most southernmost campground of the national park. Today we are walking from our campsite to Radium Hotsprings, the pools where we can swim in, but we will also be doing a hike called Juniper Sinclair Loop. Hope you like what we see. Today we've packed not only our camelback water, our snack bars, but also our bathing suits, because after doing the Sinclair Juniper Loop, we'll be heading to Radium Hotsprings and trying that out too.
You see remnants of a forest fire. That wood is all charred. Stump over here. It's all charred at the bottom. The base of those trees also. All burnt. So it's funny how the forest fire acts, because that tree that Brianna's beside wasn't touched, but that tree was touched, that tree was touched, that one isn't. And like those are touched, those are touched. So it's really weird how the fire reacts. So how many pairs of shorts did you bring on this trip, Karen?
Okay, last Sunday it was snowing here, and so I decided, I'll bring one just in case. I think I'll be wearing it a lot, so sorry about that.
Because how hot is it?
It's gonna be 28 today. Oh, and one more information. Today is the only day that our RV gets to stay parked all day. We actually can walk to all of the trails today. First day and only day in 2 weeks.
Yay, we get to walk more.
Karen, there's a hummingbird.
now we are enjoying ourselves at Radium Hotsprings.
It's got two pools. This one that we're in right now is 39 degrees Celsius year long. And then they have the cold pool, which is at 30 degrees Celsius. We've tried both, but look at the backdrop for this pool. It's amazing.
Yep, this is Abby, my cousin. She came on this trip with us. I hope you're enjoying it.
Do I have to state my name?
Yeah.
My name is Abigail. What do I say now?
What time is it?
It's 10. Our
It's
time.
8:50 here.
Almost
8:50?
11 our time.
Yeah.
And
And it's still sunny.
still really sunny.